at the dirt bike track. My baby, he's gonna ride today. I'm sorry guys, I can't show you my face. I have no makeup on. Okay, there you go. Y'all see? It's going wild over here. This is one of the closest track we have near our house. So let's see. Oh, it's pretty good. It's a lot of people comes over. You'll see. They do have ATV rentals too as well. I think those are the people that rent them. Oh, I like that Rubicon here. Dirt bike. Let's see, people are going wild. See those. The guy, they're taking the truck to a freaking mud. I actually want one of those so bad. Those UTV. Oh, that guy came again. This is my husband's bike. He has a Yamaha YC250F. I'm gonna show you. Say hi, baby. He's so shy. He's a camera shy. Let's see. Don't try this at home. People are staring at me because I'm recording. What are you doing, babe?
Checking gas.
Checking gas? Does it have
And water.
water? You need gas?
Yeah, I need gas.
Good thing your breath on these tanks. Let me show you guys a bit of that.